Hello, good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about Markov model or Markov model. This model use in probability and we use in our subject information theory and coding. Name Markov and Markov is the same. In different language we can say this is same. So why we use Markov model? Simply it is stochastic model. And why we use this model? We have already introduced the notion of entropy is conceptually simple situation. It was assumed that the symbols are independent and occur with fixed probability. That is, the occurrence of specific symbol at certain instant does not alter the probability. Means we cannot change the probability of occurrence of symbol during any other symbol interval. We need to extend the concept of entropy for more complicated structure where symbols are not chosen independently but their probability of occurring depend on preceding symbol. It is to be emphasized that nearly all practical source emit sequence of symbols that are statistically dependent. Means simply we can say the symbol generation on with fixed probability, but in Markov model it is different. So simply we use a example of English language. Here simply we use ABCD in English language. An occurrence of letter A will be more frequently compared to letter X, and occurrence of letter Q implies that letter to follow is probably AU, means QU, regardless of the form of statically dependence or structure among the successive source output. The effect is that the amount of information coming out of such a source is smaller from a source amid the same set of characteristics in independent sequence. The development of model for a source with memory is focus of ensure discussion. Simply means of Markov amount of information contained is reduced in statically dependent sequence. In probability theory, some notation like P A oblique B means probability of occurrence of event A given that slash event B is occurred, means A dependent on past value of B. Many of structures that may be encountered in the subsequent chapter can usefully be modeled in terms of a Markov chain. A Markov chain is a special type of stochastic process distinguished by a certain Markov property. Means it depend on a simple property of Markov. A discrete Markov chain is defined as discrete random process of form simply uh, x0, x1, x2, and previous signal is x minus 1, x minus 2, where the variable xt are dependent discrete random variable taking value of state alphabets. Means s is equal to s1, s2, s3, so on. The dependence statistical, the Markov condition especially is equal to probability p xn is equal to ain and slash xn minus 1 is equal to ain minus 1 comma xn minus 2 is equal to ain minus 2, so on. X1 is equal to ai1 is equal to probability of xn is equal to ain slash xn minus 1 is equal to ain minus 1. This Markov condition we use in different graphs or trees, and we will discuss next slides. Here aik can be any one value of from a1, a2, an, that xn. In above equation, the variable xn, the xn is dependent on past sample xn minus 2, xn minus 3 if the value of z n minus 1 is known. Yeah, x n minus 1 is known. Simply we follow a process, probability of p and state 2, state 1 and state again 2, and we have 3 state s1, s2, s3 and state 2, 1, 2, and probability of p s1 is equal to 2, and then it came s2 is 1 oblique s1 is equal to 2, again means here past value and this is past value and this is present value, and again this is past value and this is present value, so they are dependent of each other. And simply this is the slide is show the Markov model. Basically it show the procedure of Markov model. First thing, information source amid the symbol. Whenever it change the states, so the probability of transition from state I to I state j is pij. Means first we can select the state. Second, the emitted symbol depend on state I and transition from I to j. Third is residual influences of x1, x2, xk minus 1 on present symbol. Xk is represented by state of symbol at beginning of k interval. So the probability of occurrence of particular symbol in kth interval depend on the state of system at the beginning of system interval, means probability p xk is equal to sq upon sk. Here sq is the kth emitted symbol and sk is the state of system at beginning of kth interval. The states are used to present past history or radical influence. It is very important. Markov model depend on past value and simply another model not depend. The transition of system from interval to interval is k plus 1 is equal to phi t pk. Here pk is the n multiplied by 1 column matrix whose entry pik, and phi is the probability transition matrix of size n into n. Its ijth entry is pij. Simply this slides show the representation of Markov's source graph. Simply we select, this is a simple Markov graph. Here we have 3 state and generate 3 symbol. 3 state is 1, 2, 3 and symbol is A, again A, B or C, मतलब means 3 symbols. And here we will discuss 1. State 1, we decided first which state we used to generate the symbol. So first we use 1 or 2 or 3, and here we use 1, and 1 generate symbol of A is probability of 1 by 2, and 1 generate the symbol B in probability 1 by 4, and 1 generate symbol C in probability 1 by 4, and 1 generate symbol A and return back 1, and 1 generate symbol B and goes to state 3, and 1 generate the symbol C and goes to second stage. Again we will discuss about the second stage. Here symbol C generated and back to the state second, and state second generate A symbol and goes to first stage, and state second generate the symbol C and goes to third state. And here we use third state and 3 state, and it generates symbol B and goes back to the 3 state, and it generates symbol A and goes to 1 state, and it produce B symbol and goes to state 2. So here we will discuss total probability of generated signal by one state is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 mean 1 by 4. It means total probability is again is 1. And above graph show 3 state nodes of source 1, 2 and 3 transition, and between state is directed line probability among the transition line. So submit ABC symbol. Source can emitted symbol A with probability 1 by 2 and return to same state, and source can emitted symbol B and probability 1 by 4 goes to 3 state, and source 3 can be emitted C with probability of it is simply we can at the beginning of first symbol interval the system can be either in state 1 or 2 or 3, so the probability of state 1 to 3 is equal to 1 by 3, means total outcome is 3 and we use 1 outcomes and B, so the probability is 1 by 3. So if we extend discrete memoryless source, so it gets to rank 2 or it goes to rank 3, is dependent on author or it depends on another question. And next we draw the tree diagram by the previous graph. Generation of symbol can be explained with the help of tree diagram. The tree diagram is basically expanded version of graph. The nodes of tree represent the state of source, branches represent various transition. The transition of state take place every ts second. So it is simple tree diagram of initial state 1 and state at the end of first symbol interval, means here the state 1 and probability of state select the state 1 is 1 by 3, and here one state symbol produce A, C and B also. Here then probability 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 we can read or we can understand in last previous slides, and this is again this is again the state 1 probability 1 by 2 is the transition probability, and it goes to transition state 1 and 1 by 4 probability and goes with C symbol is 2, and 1 by 4 probability is B, and total probability is again 1. So 1 states emit symbol and goes to again 1, and 1 state emit C symbol and goes to state 2, and state 1 emit B symbol and goes to 3, and this is the second state, and this is the same, and again this is the probability 1 by 3, and total probability of ABC symbol and this produced by the state 2 is again is 1, and 2 state again to 1, and 2 goes to 2 with C message, and 2 goes to 3 state is message B, and this is the state of 3, and this is the tree diagram of state of 3. Here this is transition probability, and total is again 1, and this is the emitted symbol A, C and B, and the state A, 1, 2 and 3, the state of end of the first symbol. So this is basically tree diagram of length of first, and we can produce ABC. Then this is the total tree diagram of second stage or second length or double length in DMS. This structure is combination of last 3 slided, and again 1 this is the copy of this, and 2 this is copy of this, and 3 this is copy of this. So this ACB 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 is the one length symbol, but here 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 it is the combination of 27, and this is the two length signal is AA, AC and AB. Here symbol A came, and then is goes to this 1 to 1 means 1 to 1 is again A, so it is the combination of A, and here A and is goes to 2 means A is goes to 2 with symbol C, so it is AC, and here 1 goes to 3 means this and goes to and with B, and this combination is AB. So this is the combination here, and to C, and 2 to 1 is A means this is CA. So this table shows all the combination, and we have 27 combination because we have 3 symbol, because we have 3 state, and this 3 power of 3 here initial stage 1 2 and 3, and this is the again we can choose 1 2 3, or this is the probability 1 by 3, and 1 goes to 1, 1 goes to 2, 1 goes to 3, and 2 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, and 2 goes to 3, and thus this the sequence is AA AC AB CA CC CB CA CB BB AA AC again AB CA CC CB CA. It is the total 27 combination of two length signal. Then solve the probability of occurrence of sequence AC. We can use any ABA, any length of message to within 27 sequence. So here we choose the AC message, or this AC message we can see previous slides, and this AC message is here, and this goes to 1 to 1 and goes to 2 means 1 probability is 1 by 3, and again 1 is probability 1 by 2, and this goes to this and probability 1 by 4. So we can understand, and here 1 1 and 2, but what AC produce here, here and here. Then here it is the combination 1, 1 and 2. What here? It is the combination of 2, 1, 2. And here it is the combination of 3, 1, 2. So it is combination of 3 sequence: 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2. This is path 1 and this is path 2 and this is path 3. The probability of sequence AC is again S1 is 1, S2 is 1 and S3 is 2. And here second combination probability state 2, state 1 and state 2, and third combination is state 3, state 1 and state 2. So S1 is the initial stage and S2 is the state at end of first symbol interval and S3 is the state of end of second symbol interval. So here three transitions are adjoint than equation for the probability. Because combination of 27 symbol AC produce 3 times. So we want to use AC symbol, and total probability of AC is combination of 3, all threes. Here AC is first 1, 1, 2, second 2, 1, 2 and third is 3, 1, 2. Then here S1 is 1 by 3 and S2 is 1 by 2 and S3 2 is 1 by 4. Here so here probability of 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, total probability is 1 upon 4. And second path we use 2, 1, 2 is again 1 by 3 and S2 is probability 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 it is the combination, total probability is 1 upon 48. And third term of path 3 and 3, 1, 2 means state 3, state 1, state 2 is the probability is again 1 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 48. So here the total probability is message AC produced by 3 state is 1 by 24, 1 by 48 and 1 by 48. We can add and total probability is produced AC is by the system of DMS is 1 by 12. So here it is the combination of 2 length messages. Here 14 and here is 13 and total combination is 27. It is A, AC, AB. Here A is 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 1 by 12, and we can write very accurate in form in table. This is the total probability of messages is generated by the 3 state, or they generated 3 messages, and again is total probability is 1. So we can determine the entropy of Markov source. Here it is equal to average information contained by the symbol emitted by the ith state. H is equal to summation of j is equal to 1 to infinite. Here is 3 and Pij log 1 upon Pij, and Pij above example. Here H1 and I is equal to 1 and n is equal to 3. Here Pij is P11, P12 and P13. So we can add and it gave the answer is. Then here Pij the transition probability possible from the ith state. The entropy of Markov process denoted by the H. The it is equal to average entropy, because entropy is again average is as summation of I is equal to 0 to n pi hi, and hi is from the last equation, and here p1 p2 p3 is again 1 upon 3. Here pi is the property that source is in ith state, and this is last slide. The information rate of Markov process is again r is equal to rh. Here r is the rate at which messages are generated. Simply, so simply we can understood about the Markov process. It is very lengthy, but we can use this, and we use many examples, and we use many questions in examination. So simply it is very patience you want. So thank you very much.